Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to add an event to a calendar on iOS. First, you need to go to the calendar app. Now, you need to press this plus icon. Let me put, let's say, dinner. Location or video call, let's say Sri Lanka, yeah, good. Starts, let's say at like 1 p.m. and ends at 3. Good for me. And that's it. And if you want, you can choose when do you want to repeat it. Now just click add. Thanks you for watching. I hope I helped you. It would be really nice if you could subscribe our channel. And bye.